Medinachi. I just say, so Colidia. The Ayantin can. A 9, no quantity. Could really be 2 years. I'm maintaining camp, the Antin camp. It's here and it's what to go Italy. The Honda Minion Pio. You mean any PM or you mean any PM. Nimium the Minion Aquacoye. And see any similar no. Ah. Never. Some didn't kidney or said, dear Bay, no my chest free for. Nimo, Minion Aquaye. You boy. Oh, the uncle to me. Mammy, no one for penny for. Mammy, no one for penny hole. That's when me daddy someone I'm camping, mammy. Me patrol, I'm camping, mammy. Me patrol, some ye see at a benny. You fear me, you. Only I know when you're saying. Oh, no, 18 years. 18 years. 22 years. Number next million film. I want to maintain no 18. Only 22 no. Ah, only 22 now. This way free me. Oh, you only pa. Oh. And so no. What is why and once not the choir. Send an pair proper somewhat. I'm quite a cane. Ebian and Mobiso, and I BBC, at the end of buyer or the 2 coins are, and the mountain and can be abetti, so we. My men make a free money, no boaphobia. And she, oh, yeah, and enough for 4 o'clock, or so the could the Kaya may be empty, near how much I near Comuna, they may come off for Pia. Oh, yeah. Or in enough for she want the boy. If you our point near training can't will be a home. And waiting I'm a training can't not down for be by was so what was to call Italy. Italy no could do and I meant to me an incredible. My nature said, oh, fee how could do Libya na or the 2 so called Italy Nino, one tenant counting and Cassa. And now we're ratio Musa near Tibian or Bono Bra or Beba, baby, me uncle one. And one met you, oh, I have some more. Yes, I'm not down for no 10 a.m. Or so I real or free moon. Let him send the kidney. The kidney. Oh, Yarisa, when your kidney, Yaria, and we are no more. We are not so many in the kidney. As another doctor for no better. You know, I did some Ukraine. Yes, it's women in your Bahamian could sway you. Oh, when you're saying, when you're saying, I'm more 20 years. When you're 20 years, we are Juma. I said, I'm a dimmer, me PH. Oh, so me. Oh, quite so. Now, when you come on, I am go school. Oh, coffee education. Yes, some more. Last week, I no permit in so and no pencil. And 70 do a while, Ocasa won't in so no cranny soon, no beba. And my boy Radim Pie said, Obeso so when watch a chill with it. Now, Munni, a busiam, I mean, you and Mubini Ho, a busiam for ni ho. I'm on fee. I don't know one hour busia song. Oh. It's what's a hay? You will be. If your mamma me fear, and now I hide die and I send it here. A busia fear near a busia fear. And Nabusia for no hodie. Or more. And no more fear more. And now also more. Oh, in any department, sister. Oh. Mini Pameta.
And you say, I will share with you anymore, oh dear. What do you say, Wobeba? What's the answer? We will say, and I will feel when you are drinking no senate. If I mean,
Seminary, may change just on one boy, on one shankway. Mini Seminary, Minini. I said I assume be a Minini, so won't you watch a Seminary?
Oh.
Ame bisanu mama se me wo fa se na osu wo fia na se wo bie ma nti ho ni ye
Papa so wo bie ana wo fie
mi wo bie mi wo bunu
kama sum ya bunu fa he na wo
amam 40 million ho asem pese.
Okay.
Nebo hono mo kaka.
Okay, ba. Okay, na mo ya abunofo.
Ba cho tebi ya santefo. Na hana me mama ne me papa mo. Report ran.
Oh. Okay.
Ada samukura ni.
Enti dem poti na opesa wo ye.
Isi ade mi hiamwa. Metumi dia boa mi ni anke
papa se
wanka mo ba me moa
o se dia poti papa se dia poti na wo pese wo ye
mi anka se dia pese nka mi si Manchester school no mentumi anko bi
adwuma ben
mi nya de pamwa ka mesia
opa de pam
ade pam no ani je ho ade pam no ani je ho bo ayen okay now what you should be
it's me shebe
wa ye ha
okay
ya wonim ya no be kasa akiri
of ahunde na
ye wie pa ye wie e be frɛ what papa person no kasa why
me ya bunu ni nti na me ade ni twa maso
atwa me ante me nim so wo fie
so wo mfiri ho
we dia papa mama ya sere eraba kan akoma to ye mo ate Yankopon no obọ kwan to ba bia kwan ni ane ono ultima lord kwan be da epokoko mo manipa famu Israel fo famu no eno nti no kan akoma to ye mo be ye wate Adom be ti de wie pe ye be fro why me da si nyame hira wo no mbo wo no nua no ho no ban hey papa ene skani bri na manipa ye de ye ya na se ye dan behwe no obi adi ubone ya ane kidney na no say news ya say yakoku nipa mienu bi wo Ashanti region side ho ya twa ba ko etachirema na yetu ba ko ebe ma chese nsam no ye hu ne ansam kure ne Yesu hunu ye mobbo
basa aduma enhye dani ho ene sikani bide generation a medofo ampeso mbetwen nyame na ediye du babia yadu na de me to aso no Bible say na David ene ne merma 600 ekodu babia na 200 say ye de ya bere ade ne ye de akira abere nti yam forget ene o ma so ho na press conference ahodo ene ye kan wi ade tiani akan wi instead of pursue the case and find the solution to it edu babia that was the problem ye wo as a nation not as individual but as a nation na okay hwe ade bi esi ya medofo na Bible said na ekodu baby no they found an Egyptian in the field and brought him to David, and they gave him bread and he ate. They gave him water to drink. Bible said temwa akoba say ya kidnap enkrofo no David and the merryman e decided say ade we kwan bi aso ye be find solution to it. Enti wo gusu a wo hwehwem no there was a suspect. But for be bien assassin so being see that anything the Bible person interpreting
and they say no.
They found a suspect suspect no onye kurom honi
no ye wo hoho a waba kuro
no hoho a waba kuro
and wodi bad
ka gang no ya kidnap Ghana for they found a suspect. So finding the suspect, we have to deal with the suspect, handle the suspect so that we can find the solution to it.
Hey. And so the question we in Bible much no place.
They found a suspect who was not from the same country, but or a part of the gang or kidnap Kuronofono.
And your suspect for some doors so how
I didn't think Ghana from
for from the doors so had be bad and a Ghana for be so
Ghana for na one didn't think Ghana and quite your suspect ya you could not that no kitakutan
yeah no can wait no
what is suspect and of the David some fan me kwanya me dia kwa we be fast wa obekana no masamba bia me yire na me ma yaka na makwa we so no lead you am kwen na nipa nyina go they go and bring everything back onyame say but when you find the suspect, it is your responsibility to deal with the suspect and stop doing press conference and there.
Press conference and funny
pankwa or money shabre and your press conference or money nipama you woman. We need to be protected.
Hey,
by Nepal, we are responsible to it. And that is why we pay you people. Until being a babu, we need a David kind of people. I will not nipa say, hey, what can home? What's that home? What can home? Let's slow Yansa, one children baby idea and what? Met slow Yansa, woof you kurum, and a mother shall kuro wemo, and I'm the first some press conference, safe and Kasay
no cram them word out. Me tea me word out. But when one go cancel conference
we need a David kind of people. They found a suspect and David said, much lobby. I will would them. I want ye crum honey and I'm Kasi do walk home. One family. Bread. The bread represents the doctrine and the culture of the nation.
Can be you.
Represent the doctrine. That is the bread.
Bread.
And also bread represent the doctrine and the culture of the nation. It is yet you have to give you our bread to eat. No kind of crack today.
Yay, Papa be kumi. It's not bread.
It's about we feed the outsiders our culture. Say go man we ye buadia but to tura some Ghana for you. Sabata we feed the other outside people now. Almost say chili and kurofo. Almost say on my way no. It's about we feed them with our culture. We do our crab and a boho. No, let's give him the bread. Let's see.
Ghana has said this. I guess so. Be a woman. Do no pen. No, so dear.
Not dear. Woman. No, you open.
I mean, who near Mobo?
It's about time.
Because there's some question. Eh,
Homity.
I hope one year. Ghana for the business. One more so, yeah. Just say, I ye be. Oh, man, I am share and other 2 years.
So before it was too late, David used the suspect. Before man Merimano.
And then
Quadano, he used the suspect on your Kurumoni.
One more. It's not any idea. You meant me and coach boy, and it's me and baby.
No, that's all. That's a Kurunian Yatanamo.
As Italy.
Yes, Kurunian Yatanamo.
Oh, yes, who am Mobo. Now, quite your poor my one. Oh, Kwajo Kay here, Kwajo, or a clinical psychologist. And Kawaba no be a genuine someone so actually and Sunday. Or be fast sad to be a mo and wouldn't it be faculty quite sans me be so quite be so no shredding quan and now baby where Pierre one mat was over Baba and no one mat over tea and not say when you hope you are. What or for no wo obusianino wo odofo no how do you find it and how do you embrace it? Ade na koso wo wadwen mu.
Say na wo get ya o kasa say. Obi ma eti abusuan fie. Chance mo kan say.
Anhwe na ne life kura ye basa ne nkwala edi na chi nketewa yi. So what type of youth are we raising for our future?
What kind of youth? Dear no back. Where are we going? Where are they going now? Titi. Bibia me dofo me say Bible no kura ye no. Bibia wo mo Bible kura ye no. Enu nti na ye nyame asem. Yo
psychologist papa Dr. Eric Osu Kumi ewo ahoma no so yenko ne ne ntwetwe enkomo kakra. Dog, good morning.
Good morning.
What to say papa?
You who you na mo to say.
Yankopon adumo Mrs. Ho ye.
Who ye pa me to on kan ti.
Me she ho adumo ni ti me wo ho. Na anopai ye hwe you can say the unfortunate incident aye taisisi say bia obabi ko baabi ne so akrama me ko haba na prekope wonsusu ye wonka bi hyemu wonwene ye obati ane aba oba ne ko ye no momo ne na fufo bi o mako dware nso afa no ana bibi etesa ana nso mpo obo nso obi wo ho a na ye de ye asam akukura beto no so na asam ye twe ne ko ne ye de ne ba last week ha gomwa ho he nyanya no ai mami bia na dam ne ba dam fo abesra no one ne be yakoda dam anwumram se kwam de omama koto aduano mabedi afedi ade akyen na dam fo na kuna to dam. I hosted the woman here last week. Sanyoma we nyina esia wo no a wo ye de asam na to wo no e de na ye koso wo wutirim, and how do you embrace it?
Me da se me chetie fo nyina so sa no mani nyina a part of trauma. Trauma adisi putu ala me chi ni papa nteno
da esa putu prum na si
eba ne sana echa oni yeso eje me ke wa parents ade tia ukoton ade ukosira obi ukoyesi ukofum ntine ba ne sana katu bibia so preko na ama adwini nyina e basa bonso ogi krensi ala na wo manipa no ebe nipa no ko so da de bibrehu otokodi ade brehu ote okoye bibi ma me kan kra ono kra ni pa depending on so ono show into the balance na a lot of adim or how any atinkem or how be e ba sani pa ni so
it is ano
it is now originally na balance pa ni pa no ebe ko denial mu mean se meka na otwi mu denial
I said
first ni so ni pa na dream
I said
origin to
onye ntumu sesasi
because nipa ni me kan na kasa no pe ya onye di nkomo kura mama hye mama yensi bi ntinu na obia nse de okọ react style how no ebi wo no de na no bit me take days weeks ebi kura months no di ntumu sa asem nisi if you no man nipa be call into anger ebufu be ba ni mu ebi wo no nipa ne kura mpo kasa e say na nyesi nipa ne koya de kro no ebisu won mo ni pa ne kra di nkomi bi afa de ko na esi ye no ho na ebisu won ma ebufo no cut towards the suse o ma sa de ne den e baaye ebi ni say bi efa ni say law enforcement agency bi na na say dey so ohwe ma adiko ni nsi a mo se bufo ntimi ko no ni na ka the grieving process no ana sa de e hwere o hwere ade a de o femu no ebufo ka ho bi nke bale sane sisi ni sa mo ma ho kwana nkofo no mo express o mebufu nu ebua ma mo timi ehele after that no na aba no say o say ye kan se mo no ye fe no bageni I say na adwum no ni o bageni say o ade ni nya mpanka ko ni si nka ye ni si mpanka ye mfa no pusa nka bia say you abakan so nka nya yare mpu say yare abakan so nka nya yare bia enyi hu anka ni pan bitimi ade ne ho aton say ye se nipa no ya kidnap na bonse na bageni ni se wenye se bia okwana da fu binti a wan crying ana so mbe ibu hu bi owo eno so koso sa days bi were weeks obi si dey a month if you hold man bonse odi adia no na se wentinya nsentinya kan de na e dey rehoba na afido mewura into proper depression ni na gina kwan be fa so be bageni so depression so ba sometimes na temporary depression nye depressed na uhia say be treat for we rebel for pan with your horse and then you accept the reality of what has happened. Acceptance normally in a bar say a idea a beco so at so who services in Ipanon yesis yako seno crabia na yako sin. Sadin see it nima acceptance in a bar in them.
I just say anka wonhu no wonhu moma e mo akoma to ye mo ntem.
Na hanti se nipa na se ba na se ofim kra so a na sa what one so ofim yakosi na eno so ma otimi ditu mi so ampa se na oti ya na sama to no e asema abampa na so di but during that period no bi wo ho no ma opese e bibi potima no
meba ansa na ebekọ ho no se meti wase yie dia na che se asem bi a ye shock bi na trauma bi aba wo so no se eba na nipa no yensie no a sela no wote adwendwen ne wo hawo ne anye nie asetena mu anameboa
ntu ebubi won ma okọ nenim no aba nechi okọ nenim no aba nechi bo se Onyakopom nya nka yi mi sei aba ne sei wi nsina isa odi atum so na wasa akọ nechi because okai ni ye ya oni nipa ne wo ye any normal oni nipa ne ye any faso nya fi nipa na asetena mu a na amana akọ nechi kakra. But say you see ni pani wia etimi boa ema nipa no enya closure ni say asem na ba no madia tum me da kwa wiye
na ane na
hono no obi wo no ma na opese bi man obi wo no ant na obadia tum no okay me pese ye fi bi yenko si ni wa ha yenyi fi yenyi saadi wi fi yenka sa asem wi fi yenyi saadi wi man en tumi boa ema acceptance no edi
hey asem ya no ya hio wan se ensem se ba areho ne timi nipa no ento bi wo ho a esonsa ne obi a temperament ti a ode betimi de aye den aso asem no mu obi wo ho a ba ya ne kan ya yesi nipa no a ode ama awurade wacheche ne wure okọ obi so wo ho a etimi bono a be ya mfe emfie mi na sela de ne timi hye no so a anhwe kura no kura no enam so de ade bi abre no saafo na de foto no ade be ma wo no mu
ha nti won se first no na nkata ma na social system ayi adwuma no na ofa wo ho o na na wo ho wa fense o siwa wo ho na sankofo no nyamo support yin entim de wa hwele no bi wo no ma so no hwewa nipa ne timi boa ema utimi eden emu won obi so wo no ma ni wiase mu nyina na asem na tunu no and I said okay temperament your temperament bi wo no ma omo de ade yom yeye na asem so ha omo ento mo sanu mutimi kuremu che ento mo sanu mu hia emwa they need help. Because say a social structure in your humanity, they will need professional help to fill in and then and to see any aquantium Trebay on which Naji asem na and so be on let's say this let's say after 3 months air coin na go dia what mean say one would you kuyi intimin de why dream so into odwim asem hu de dia ukuduma kra
Matias bia na sa nipa na oni ho se otie yen victim anopai ana ye baba ya ye ne kasa ye ya omo ye mofra for 3 girls and one boy be ma no ona ye pani a ohwe nkwala na aka no ma mi ni ho papa ni ho ono so tu bata akopa adwuma bia ye de abebua ni nuanom yi ni nuane se okọ Libya de di kan 2 years no nte ne nka na wuma na nadamfo bi ba ni nuane wante ne nka nadamfo na ba kan chen so wo bra wa Libya ko Italy efe de obeti ane se ni nuane wu wo Italy am ye yi ne kidney just ensem bebre ka ho na ama what why traumatized at for almost 2 years ni erabeda ho dia reho because the situation in terms of ne economical situation ya papa ana abusuafo nsi ni ho abusuafo mo won mam no papa wunti I say abrabo na be hwi nanim ai
until abanisara won say abanisara na I din no san dey din pa because Seban say okun psychologist na because say basic things because na quite more basic needs ala be kan ene ohia itself no mental problems intino eno so be kan ho like say enye ade ba ko pe na isia yenia ba no or film apart from say trauma na ba no there is also life stresses to say poverty, me, no man can tell or say, or sign or say, or sign be responsible for the other union.
No quarry siblings and get to any responsibility.
We need the more bed na better so be here social services in the process of say that one this win your social services account. We say be you can say be aid with social service be one more say abide the boy as any pan be here side and because so the more can support from family in home. I will end on so need to be our year and a nipa so be one can so me film into if you mean quite and also soon to see and to soon loss of financial support, loss
Mate, dog, you fancy high. Now, you know what say, unless say I will be big a cry, you foot to some of the bema, you know, my cosa to be a mono. And
can say, the dear in Honoma, you need to send me your 2 million, you are on you. See, you year, and so between that can eat that boy on. And to now, my young say, she may be to me. And quite ADB here, pounds idea, not to me be crediting common pancakes. Oh, so, and then by inquiries, I didn't be a bit my boy, my adding. If you saw him, and sank of one mom and withdraw, they should talk to a few people who seem to concern about their issue.
Mate, Doc, may that was say. I no pay so when you bring a day a my I mean, oh, should I what's it?
Amen.
Which ya, madam, why? At here for you, Dr. Eric Housu Kumi, clinical psychologist, and Trust Hospital, and I no pay what be a dream for Nikakra, a trachere and Sanya, or how say Babatoa, and your man a year cost so to me how ever watching Papa. Ya papa be Canada pa church
seriously
na Bible no mu de no so mani de chire say sane ya ene e kwaso no sane BSc Bible na mum solution no mo fa so no na say yen Ghana as a nation ya faili abba
ya faili 2700 years they were able to solve it because of one suspect. It me chirema kuruhuduo nemahudu America itako jina one suspect was able to lead David and then Merima 400 eko jin nyamani nyina esande ba be chairman kurumoni nyina emomo san transi asomdwem echichirum kuro nti yede ye nya suspect ene ye kura na besinne
papa you too much oh you too much oh ya na bradwen nti ase so you too much.
Bible is the book of life. Then Bishop Science now 2 Chronicles chapter 28 verses 8 Bible say the men of Israel took kidnappers 200,000 of their relative women, sons and daughters. They also took much spoil from them and brought the spoil to Samaria. But a prophet of the Lord was there, whose name was Obed, and he went out to meet the army that came to Samaria and said to them, behold, the Lord, the God of your fathers, was angry with Judah. He gave them into your hands, but you have killed the people so much that has reached up to heaven. And Kufubi eko kidnapu nipa 200,000. Ekunkum wom ya krono yabo eno di for baako wom eno so eno di akokoduru ekohia nkrofo no eno se de mo yenye modie wo hwie moja gu ama say yaduru heaven moja ye hwie gu Ghana no edos dodo
and ye ready to see be so ano
mo and therefore say odifo bitumi timi e kasa kire nkrofo ne o man no e ma ade ni jaya then you have every right to talk to people say ne yekoso o ma we mo no moja na ye hwie gu ni rituals na e koso no aye sorry otina ko say ye kon ya so ndan ma the crime rate in which in Ghana says you know is so alarming. And to compare to churches baby no the church is failing, the state is failing the nation. And you see, leadership is the ability to get extraordinary achievements from ordinary people.
Leadership is the ability
to get extraordinary achievement from ordinary people or ordinary situations that make you a leader.
Prof. Apostle Mwakwanta na shie otumre no achire sie. wo tu mire ni say anu a kire sie no enya so wo kan keke na papa we de me famra wa wo so say ada na adifo ni bi ni asofo ni bi ntimi ensore nka no kura nkire ye mpanifo ebi
na say wan Bible man ko hu ne Bible man wo ne sin
sofo ni bi nso bi mpanifo ebi o na say de omo no
nyame asem no na ma utumi nyame asem na aka wo ntu sabi enti wan Bible no mu a wo de na ma defede ahun say woyi omo say yo man
ene say adifo ni bi na mpanifo ni bi no ntimi nka no kura nkire
know the Bible and
to be able to speak from the Bible
when on some Bible no man
and it is what is happening to us.
What is happening to us? Abuse pen omo to ni so ano.
We are saying
if you are failing, then let's go back to the Bible and know and see what going on in the Bible. Come be no mo fa so. E was say sofo original. E was say D4 original.
Yan kwamda na yan ka hono kakra. For solution kakra bra faton from em ekwan yan panifo no betimi afa so ekwan yan mo asofo no adifo no betimi afa so ekwan yan sese yan no mo omanfo no ye ne o sese ye betimi aboa ye amasa ohu abri ya yetimo no etimi asesa because sese wonam a usuro obako school ma ya usuro wotina ka mu kura usuro and na wo fa ye cars private cars ibia usuro
first wonam a wujina fa ho obitumi ma
left and na one ko fa left
can e back na wuja
me hu ni pa bi wo motorway no ho no mo train lift ahomachi ya na me suro ma won me mfa me chesa o freka se me fa wa o te kan ma usuro you do area no bisa ha de we are very conversant with this area sana what me relax wo kan no mo e de na ekoso wo me e de na ekoso wo wiase etiefo ye tue ho abasisi awa no pemne Apostle Francis amwakwata papa ye kwadua na akwasi ana ya
kofi
oye kofi yo
ntino mani adini no
o musa etiefo ye basisi a
eya eye mani jese me manu bisame se
ma betuma boa wana mesumeti aboa
omo nyina ye krado enkanka sami nu aduane a
ma na we ye den
we ye onga shrimp powder
eye den
e me aduane ya akono
ne ma ne akono keke
ane sa keke so wodi onga ye aduane bia e ma ne ye hwam keke ne ma ne ye akono nso a yensi ne fem kwa
Serrano, agogo for ya kono. Odo unyame mo.
Apipie diane bebeno. Onga, ya mama buafo, ye da so na wodro numu a akono. Se say die, ye the 50 gram sachet for kra beka nwa. Unya ho bebre.
Jeanette Services presents the 2019 edition of Women in Worship, themed the Trinity Experience. Come Sunday, September 22nd, 2019. Every activity in the capital will come to a halt as all roads lead to the Action Chapel Dome for a thundering praise and worship experience with powerful female gospel minstrels of our time. Reverend Ifweko Sharmian, Sissy Troom, Cindy Thompson, Daughters of Glorious Jesus, Diana Hamilton, and all the way from Nigeria, Mercy Chinwo. Tickets are going for 50 Ghana Cedis regular, 90 Ghana Cedis double, and 100 Ghana Cedis VIP. Visit Airport Shell, Fortuna Total, Community 11 Wanandu Shell. Kindly contact 0248-810-396. This event is brought to you by Nasco Electronics, ATL, Betamol, Color Mat, Awake Mineral Water, Pollard Assurance, Imani Impressions, BTL Africa, AH Hotel, and Action Chapel. Media partners, Multimedia Group. Gates open at 4 p.m. sharp. For more information, call 055-774-7977. Women in Worship.
Eya, eye mani jese me manu bisame se
ma betuma boa wana mesumeti aboa
omo nyina ye krado enkanka sami nu aduane a
ma na we ye den
we ye onga shrimp powder
eye den
e me aduane ya akono
ne ma ne akono keke
ane sa keke so wodi onga ye aduane bia e ma ne ye hwam keke ne ma ne ye akono nso a yensi ne fem kwa
Serrano, agogo for ya kono. Odo unyame mo.
Apipie diane bebeno. Onga, ya mama buafo, ye da so na wodro numu a akono. Se say die, ye the 50 gram sachet for kra beka nwa. Unya ho bebre.
Jim FM.
Etiefo yama adofo nyina akwa babio edeba eye Asetena pa edwumadie so Adom 106.3 ani anope ye niabere wo bremu ha papa anope ye niabere papa na kyerese ensam na kwaso no areho yeti wo humu enye so beka so ye creative fear and panic we enye me na me kan wa yade a ekwaso wo a wutie me wutibi opani a wo so wutie me wo so wutibi na ebisa se den na kwan na befa so amasa nyoma we nyina etu atwa ye prosifo no omogbo adwuma but me comment reserved comment papa
that's
ya fa ne se empanifo asofo ne ade no ede na osusu se mo mutimi ye beboa amasa nyoma we abrase ne abehwe ye empanifo egu deda ye prosi ano ya security services no empanifo deda ano na wo mo eka ho
I believe say yeah abusuanfo yo mota kura din na mo kwa asore obi na akwa asore it is asofo bianken kan say 2 Chronicle 28 odi4 ba akopɛ ne so and he saved the whole nation
ohwe sorry abeka asem twa ye twa wada pai
I just say beto aba
ya be ye wa
ama wa
hu se ye
ba ye nyina ye Ghana fo me dofo ye nyina
Ghana fo
kwesi yetimi chi nipa 200,000 captive ye kidnap wo nyina odi4 ko say aba
enough is enough
munyawom na man no munjo na believe say was mo bi amedofo e was say hwenkrofo bi anim ya ka to say what legacy pa na say uja ho beginning from former IGP what legacy pa wo bere so abc CID mami aburochi anka wo ya che
ono akra resign
ya be che say ka wo ti ade news na no waja
ho for granted anyway
no waja hoko say you save your leadership, you save your faith. What say? What say? What show? What show say? You are not ready to die for the job. What failure? Then you stay aside, and then you can bring you back. Because sir you know nema obi relax here obi anim so ho nkwada no wo nkwada no wo
omuni baby wo mbaka ko fa wo mu aba
obi relax here yet nkase ho
nkase no kura me se me wo doubt
say there sa no abantie sa na ye nti it's about time asofo mpanyimfo a ye ka bia ye adwuma no ye gai wo beko abrochiro beko na ya dwene ball man no so it's about time you stop a certain preaching and then we talk to boys and nkrofo bi o ma ba system no mu a wo mu ba so mu be di Ghana for ho srade
ai
women nyina akwa asore
abedi yenya
wo mu bedi yenya bedi yesrade abedi mbibia it's about time your Bible say David obam no so mo man brodo because that is the doctrine, that is the culture young feed one na nipa ni mra na ho so say chese nipa nya wiase nyina na ohwere ne nkwa emfa so ben
papa emi phone lines no
emi
yo etiefo papa si emi o nti ebi me pa cho betimi ewuram wate edi afutuo ne mwa na so wode ba kwan ben so ne befa so ama wo memu adwo ne ehu na free so numbers ni 0302 216561 and 0302 216562 me pacho obetimi afreme hello good morning
hi morning
me pacho me nua be ma ben na afrifi
me pacho me from Mr Nobody me fifi kroboduma fe
pacho papa to asoma me why
yo me da fe ni adwuma pa wudi amagana mani wi asoma se o hwa nyama esisi na brem no bebre so ye de ma nkwala no obi wo ha Facebook kran unni nipa no no wa frel na wa ya bosa woni na chatia na wa ko ana akwantuo no a me nyama ma no me nyama no etututu no mesre Ghana ha se nyame boa o na se ukuta adwuma kutuo bi kra na se wo ye na se eyeye ma wa ebe ye ma o ka se African countries na ye ko no mesre me nyano mo eya mo nhwe na akwantuo no a mutututu no Ghana ha ukuta adwuma kutuo bi na se wo ye na se be ye a ebe ye ama obi dia obe ye bia no ebe ko fo ama
mate enso ye da se nyame hira hello good morning
good morning
eja
no muni
mate eja me yenko
mo adwuma
yo eja ho ye
boko endi me se utu kwan na akona nye yi ama na che obo wechi ya obi na shuma On the last night, because me brother be more than 40 years. Send what you ask you, so I find you been in baby for the same neck. My ya. My coaching, yes, so I'm a fakako, because I mean, no, the same neck. A brand in your nuggies over Bessie, so it tells you, so who been baby crab brand yafa. And never be one more, maybe power I am into us here. There's some in calamity. Since I'm a cousin, make me Kuruma Meko. No, I may buy the Corma and Faviama and found. Oh, and I don't want us. I didn't say, I'm coffee a best servant. Indeed, I'm quite country on Menyafiama. Ninjanium said, a new word from your woo said, then you met one of the woo. Bye bye.
Johnson, baby, why? Hello, good morning.
Good morning, mommy. Apome.
And Uncle Ponadmo, now one so actually.
Adomo.
You Pocho off-roading.
Mammy, what from name because of really bad.
You nay, Pocho Chadoma.
Mammy, if you're Morocco, offer you can acquaint to some. I was you are doing. Acquaint to some. Mammy, Uncle Fubifi, ha, Yoko Libya. No, why not the other Mamco? Manco, Mammy, Uncle Fusi, you be on Sassy Shara. What's your being? If she's a chapra, a simple Ghana having in Anna, Okoma, Nipa woman in our one saw Chapun. Chapel, think it's no about Boko, why a man will go more coding in Ireland, the mouse of a company winning movie. While Kodu Ghana in our suffering movie. Mammy see that.
Mate, but I say, Papa, a bomb quite do, yes, money movie. Hello, good morning.
Fine morning, madam. I pumped it in.
Yanko Ponadmo, Papa, and Pocho will say. You, but you're frauding.
And come here,
you're frozen, Papa.
Hello.
One more with you.
Oh, you're from a Jarrockson.
You're a jammy uncle. Why?
Yo, Kakra, mention person me Canada. A brand TV, Bam, one sister station, a Benin in Komobi. Now, Dami, a brand here, I'm sorry, suspect. I was saying, station now, obedi home common, we in my enforcement. Now, what you show me? One ankasa card there, or per se, can suit a fool, and I said, put fumping for Buffalo. Now, what dear nim, now, Bona, why yet, Yama on imprinting for Brea. Oh, yes, I don't know. So, sister station here, Vision 1 FM. And I am Safo, or your DJ, or no, now, or interviews are brand here. The master said, call sister station or not Nana Yasafo, no on what branch anything, or not the one must say, or bet here at Ghana.
Yo, I don't know yet a different stations, no penny for no asungu so or more person when information we are on Beko, yeah, Adom FM. You know, you did many be dear, and so no be an baby and the enam. And to patch also bet me a frame, what's it? Number near 0302216561. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, me ya be ma benni.
Pacho FM Thomas Nkasefiri nungwa.
Me pacho Tom yenko why?
Yo, sa kidnap na no ko so in fact, now we are due too much because it's normal when you say sound so useful. One chance yes. Since I know be flow with the car and I say one person will drive you if baby crampers a will ban away cramp here then.
Na enyim sisia obi kra stop wo kwan ho na bia why you yira baby okono hu nana ofra kra na obi say wa wusuro no wusuro no otumi kra nyina ho no a kire no baby kwan na manako wusuro say bia no enipa bone e dey asetena so
you too much nti one day say what sound so bo bi mpa na once again now ofra na no rusu say one bua na mesra mu a say no maybe one that but na say na e ben yam bua bia na e da for so e da man because Adom FM den ya
Mate ya da sinya me hira ai onso ya monhwe phone onso betimi afre me na ye di enkomo na ensam na ekone ye fa be 2 more calls near the call session no adc. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Mama Akua.
Yes, Papa yo.
Papa yo.
Na hwan ni?
Where do they do from I quoted down.
Oh, yo do they do ma wa no nkomam ansa hu ye.
Oh, Mama Akua ye hu Adom hu ye. What's what name?
Nyankopon na Adom so mo hu ye.
The who Yankopon asi. Ketcho so no chon say o Yankopon akwa.
Papa do too much.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah, come and it's my any do or your research into the Bible no more.
Aye.
Who cannot ye see?
Damn no. I don't know, my milk, I'm just asking me. Sir, my family will want to Missy, that's what I can say. Now, Dam Quadana, you see who or Mudon Peno. Quadamia and Sandon Peno, no way chicken one.
Me pacho bi se bio.
Me sem Quadamia and now, what's one don't pena away. The test to say, I am Quadano. No way chicken one. And I one some one will win, and I one will win.
Eh, asamo. What's the honey? What's in the medium? So no children, and then I watch that moon to me. She process phone over to watch it.
Eh, be someone, my wife.
Man, say, Equana, my bed from my echo. Yeah, you ever find a last call near the call session? Let's see. Hey, and Quadam no more, you and more problem. Hey, you ever find a last call near the call session? Let's see. And to win to me, Obia Basso. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, mommy.
Papa.
Oh, but your friend Kofi, Kasafi status.
Me pacho you opening Kofi mo anon koma me.
Na me nyame hu ne se. Isia no asofo titlu. Ena ye be se wo mum na on anti politicians na shada ya asofo na ahemfo afi wo mu. Se woman no omo ye politician me ka bibia asofo ni ahemfo no no mbetu na adi oman yesi on the first no ohin no tipo no ordinary domo first na tumi kra ahemfo no unu se kanema wenum no nipa bon bi ba kro no mu a eden a o se nipa oba ba se no obaba ko ho ahin nti wo mu nim no nti odi boni bia na wa wudi no class no wona asotwe no ebe call so nti wo hwe ma nipa no mbe wo hwe na oye nyanya wo be report na mo he but ye ja wenu na say politicians and politicians so for your politicians me can be so for na betu ma je o man ya si ho
yo asofo papa no me da nyame shira papa na won so dia wo de aba no apostle se baby ensam na kekan kodro no ye hia futuo ni nkuranhye
Just nani ya 21 days. Na mia me bako school a boss 7 no my me dofo. But me amon pa yakopem so buy.
Sir,
because ufra, ni ma me the pressure gume so.
Oh. Na ke so be fie before that.
Yes. No my idea sir. DNA koso ba first entisa kora nam krom o ma ye namu a Ghana nkwa na Africa got to me and nanti from 6
na ye tam ko na ba bia ti yetimi dia gross a chocolate factory ho e ko mo das be mo ko tisa chocolate na ye na mo nti mo dia gwa ye fi egu bo bi ye ko tisa ensure da ho na ya ko dware mu na ya ba chese obi ensuro ba se woni wa ko sa area ho
kwa na yo ba bi o anya na anu ya police father woro makọ ready baby a na mebesi etimi agi area bi aboso yeti ye kurom mebesia agi area ya bunumbura ho se police father woro makọ
baby am ko sarando wo
ya se bo se be makatachi ntumi mfa ho na he na ne ye ko
yeti ye kurom
na nke yeti ye kurom o no siambo a obi nko obi ma na mebesia
ne woti ukroms na wotete
woti ukrom na wotete na esabata me dofo o ma we ye nyina ye de wo mbi mi so mi wo mbi ade be chi wo chinen
ye se mo asofo no
ho na me ba no ade be chi wo chinen
ye se mo asofo no so mo di for sa ade hu pa
me dofo ade be chi wo chinen enipa o mbe kwa so ndem ama sofo akasa akire o mo no o mo do so chen nipa o mbe kwa even president fi wo china nipa ombegu asore baakum amasofo baakum abegina hono omudo so chen nipa ombeko mbechia IGP ochina enti said the last call or kind no ahemfo any asofo biggest role to pray for the safety of this nation and yes I bidding home for odi for baakum peneka say okum no aduru nyame anim enti munyai ampa ejaye yen yen stop self de je say yen ko ye de nko an esi ani so a aso no wo man mo aso no any heaven aso no any space e wo man no enti o man mu aye dene o man no niam nko yi no at affect everybody including ya so for na ye wom no sabatama ye kan lokore sabatama ye din lokore sabatama ye ma nipa no ye atwi nipa na adwene ba adwuma so ye na nipa nyina ye adwuma abrante ye anya adwuma no ode na say ye adwuma sanka omo so omo fasere so and risk your life enko bi man so nti this about time you preach to the people when nyame am nipa ire kopim so o man adwuma nti ye man nipa ma adwene mere adwuma so en chen say nipa no obenya sika o chena obenya sika ne obenya sika obenya loto obenya sika ye ware wanya adwuma ye ware
na yese na wan so abro ogwa mehwe ni ansem kura ni boboris na fa bro na fa pioto ka ho we nyina ni hwe we nyame sumo na bi ni
hwe ba bi o man na kodu enti wo ka asam degu na suma na wotwe na membo so na memu a why confused enti kwam bi o force ma prophecy na bam no o mo force ma prophecy na bam. That is another fact. Enti e was say let's give the right information to the security apparatus and the party area no yani yeti ho. The best security man is you yourself. Exactly. The best prophet so far in your life is you yourself. It is here. Yes, you feed you on a proper information. Yani high home.
So say ye nipa wo ko bempani mu bi po betimi aka ensem ya ye kana no penso no so odwe ne ye fu ho.
Odwe ne ye fu.
O de fe pani kono no be.
Mu say suspect na nya David na kwachi no. Wo mo kwachi no. Nnom de bra sa kwa wo nye kurom hani. Enti suspect onini enti wo mo titi ya mantem wa ye nim se wo mo
papa ma me 5 for la
gina ya mani o oma area na ya tete na ya ni nipa yi koba mo so de anajo nipa yi koba no se kwa no mo koba no mo tikam na
when you see something
say something
Abraham police for the slogan aba no 18555 and so be fresh obi afa and also we see something I won't fra be from fa and then you experiment with radio so ya isa orange ya the to phone ya mic so and the crane press for 18555 na ya mon fa
and so be anfa
na better than you say something what you see
ye gidi say onyame be hwe ya man yi so
amen
ogana ya asomje man yo wotu kwan hu so ma we ye ho toye just wotu kwan na hu so o ma we wutimu a wo fa ho dia ma ne nanse na niam bi chiachi a enka from an purpose Ghana head the chamber bia
anokware
me na die no die ene die me dofo
o ba bibia free papa ebia no bi pese wo nsam ya wakan ene nkyerɛkyerɛ anopa wo de amanya de esi wo ye biri so wo bible mu a watimi atwe pie anopa ama ye mu bia ni aba ye ho so no ebia no pese obi pese no di nkomo kakra
me number 024 300 1844 024 300 1844 na gen of friends so ohun say onye ready na na nkasa
mate
ne provide bia me
mate nyame hira papa nyame hira ya Facebook messages ni de bebre obedema ye ntimi nkan ni nyina na mo me start akan kakra message wa o say good morning mommy watching you live from New Jersey o say mommy you're doing a wonderful job, God richly bless you and your guys. Love Adom FM #1 radio station and enua ba no so edia wode ba ye eno no enua ba mercy sanso ena ayi nana kantataba o say yes san hwe Hosea 9 verse 7 and you say honso nsem ho yenua eden akasanoma o say your receipt today me hu de atron de person kire ani aki ye de na ma de yi o kan na no roli kosa pa be hwe mame mo hwe ade mame na roli sa ntimi nyina na makan ye biri so nka ye biri aye sori so anu no o ye pena blue bia be de da so ne style bi manimbra. I'll say conform more. Me can't conform managers my number from na me read the shishers road. Yenya akasanwa bi ose lo mama akua could you then read on say me reading and not triple o kan pe adofo mo fanchem na machine em so no na so achi ayese machine no na so achi ayese ya wono so nkrofo tata no enti no ken kan ya na triple enti mo fanchem messages ni do so bebre obi si men kan messages na yen ko se betimi aka ba ko mienu bi wo mu ish white or say community lab is no longer there. You need then next door neighbor. Your next door neighbor doesn't even know your name. Oh, or say everyone is minding their own business. US, UK citizens always feed police information. Why not us? But we always compare them to us. Yanko next one. We also forget today. Forget them why? If you papa be and home they man you mate. Atia Azubila also show you live from across Wasa Akropon and mercy webio we makan dada mercy word and makan na yanko yeah has makan agasa no more say or say you could you read the Facebook messages as well. I read it why Kesewa Constance or say the simplest way is to catch that. Oh, be waiting. Me to come with you. Me to come. Why me do have radio? So no abeka. Why sister? Abu nya Jason or saying the country is sitting on a time bomb. The day the youth will arise, nothing can stop them. Thanks, Mami Kia, for the good work. Watching you live from New York, Bronx. And Emmanuel Mensah say, Ghana, Mama. Hey, money ejuma o the way or chia Mr. Mensah Italy. We makan the end dada. Yes, Justice Techi Manson. Also, majority of the kidnappers belong to some of the pastors and the government officials. So how can they eliminate the kidnappers? I say come home, momo. Asofo ne mpanifo na wa ban mu no, ene mpanifo wo man mu nya ban wo so nya no na meka mpanifo nyina wo man mu. Wo say won mo cheche nkrofo na bi firi mu afa. Enti be den na matimi ayi won mu ama. Say Galaxy or say I share yen live wo I share yen live wo Donut headquarters wo Ashanti region. When so or say and also because thank you Prophet Amwakwanta we are too much. Gladys and Kroma also morning, good morning my beloved ma and great apostle. In fact, what's going on nowadays, some people just killed like that. Hey, please, I'm really very sad. God be with you all in Jesus' name, amen. And Joseph Gordon in Cancer, I say government should tackle some of our pastors preaching like Obinimu and they should take it over. Fancy Apia, I say the girl has really touched my heart. I heard her cry in my sleep. Oh, go say, Yebre, and say it's for yes or so. Papa, young cram young quay. Yeah, no be action who so ye don't share rather than Samay.
Your money in a share rather than sa. The yes answer Bible said your trade Israel one tongue could da. It in your man will so on tongue could da. The answer Ubasho who's ye. Na wahwe wana montu 2 years na yakoso abompa na ehia me eya adwumadene pe ene be save o mawe na save wo ene menso awrade hwe ye nyina so by next week amen
nyame adom be share next week etefo menso makramo se me kwa yie e whatever community 12 ane na the Vault Gardens ne mame aka ba bi Auntie Doris anopay sie no na aye ne wufusum ne ade nyina ntimi fi ha eho na me kona me boga kupali ogina machi Papa Bills oh yeah bugger off once na fun ho shine papa ono de papa de me am checking oh yeah flash one touch bang no no na ekro no etie for makramo nyame yadoma e be share next week bye bye.
It's now time